Yeah, how do I recharge with my bank app? Okay, now we teach you on how to recharge MTN, Airtel, Glow recharge card using your using your bank app. Okay, we are going with Fidelity app. So let's go. Okay, firstly, if you open your bank app, you see something like this. This one now is Fidelity bank app. So if you see something like this, you see the option there. This option, you click there, you click on recharge airtime. It's very, very simple. Okay, what's the next thing? You click on network. You select the network. Remember, you want to buy, you click on MTN prepaid. If it's Airtel, Airtel prepaid. Go and search the meaning of prepaid and postpaid. Okay, if it's Glow, you click on Glow prepaid. You click there. Then on that plans, you select amount of money that you want to recharge. It's very, very simple. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more updates. Okay, while we are waiting for network, okay, you click on plan. I want to select 400 naira. I want to recharge 400 naira. So I tap on 400. Then you want to put a beneficiary number. So I will turn that place on. I will click on new beneficiary. Okay, I have to put the phone number there. Fill the phone number. Remember to be careful so that you not make mistake. Okay, this one now is the phone number. And many people used to have problem here. Then there you attach something, attach a name to your phone number, to the phone number. Okay, let me put Samuel. Okay, after that you click on confirm recharge. Once you tap there, the next thing they will show you is to put your pin. Put your pin, your ATM pin. The thing will now send to the person or to the SIM card. Remember, it's very, very simple. Also, subscribe to our channel for more videos. Here in our channel, we used to teach about many things about your device. So if you subscribe to our channel, no need to pay somebody to teach you about your device or about anything about device. Okay, once you click on that, what's the next thing? You put your pin. After putting your pin, you click accept. So once you do that, the thing will send to the SIM card or to the number.